Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start with last minute revision of the PSM. So let's get started. First one, total iron requirement in pregnancy is 600 mg. Increased requirement of calorie in lactating mother is 500 to 600 calorie per day. Most common cause of maternal mortality in India is hemorrhage. Egg protein quality is 100%. Highest quality of protein is egg. Highest quantity of protein is soybean 43%. Daily protein requirement 0.83 gram per kg per day. Most repeated value is known as mod. Sum of all value divided by number of values mean. Middle value of average of the second most middle values is median. Age of which a person is considered dependent is age below 15 and above 65. Human Development Index include literacy, life expectancy is birth, income index. Incubation period of yellow fever is 2 to 6 days. Disease notifiable to WHO is cholera, plague, yellow fever. Infective period of chicken pox is 2 days prior and 5 days after appearance of races. Smallpox was eradicated in May 1980. Recently eliminated from India, YAS 2007, leprosy 2005, guinea worms 2000. Indicator of socio-economic development, infant mortality rate. Millennium Development Goal have to be achieved by 2015. Sentinel surveillance is used to assess hidden missing case. Most important function of sentinel surveillance is find total amount of disease in a population. Chronic carrier state is seen in typhoid, hepatitis B, dysentery, meningitis, malaria, gonorrhea. Sullivan Index provide life expectancy minus probable duration of bed stability as inability to perform major activities. Severity of the disease best assessed by case fatality rate. Sullivan Index is the measure of disability rate. Killing power of a disease is case fatality rate. Attack rate is incidence of the disease. Surveillance is continuous scrutiny of factor affecting a disease. Physical quality of life index is include IMR, literacy rate, like life experience at age of 1 year. Most common neonatal disorder to be screened in neonatal hypothyroidism. Person cannot perform daily activities which is to be normal for his disability. Impairment, anatomical structure or functional loss. Handicap, loss of social role supposed to play in society. Disease, any abnormal condition of an organism that impair function. Correct sequence, disease, impairment, disability and handicap. Obesity is a measure in term of BMI, weight in kg, height in meter square. BMI less than 18 underweight, 18 to 24 normal, 25 to 29 peri-obese, group grade 1 and 30 to 34 grade 2, 35 to 39 grade 3, more than 40 is obese. Grade 3 more than 40. Silent epidemic of century, Alzheimer's disease, measles, complicated sports incubation period 10 to 14 days. RNA paramyxovirus. Most common complication of measles, otitis media, least complication SSP. Incubation period of measles is 10 days. Respirable dust responsible for pneumoconiosis has a size limit is more than 5 micron. Pneumoconiosis, occupational lung disease, inhalation of dust particle more than 5 microns causing fibrosis of lung tissue. Most common pneumoconiosis is India silicosis. Most common cancer in pneumoconiosis is asbestosis. Midday meal should provide 1/3 calories and half protein. Which of the following does not multiply but a complex development cycle in the host is microfilariae. Amplifier host of Japanese encephalitis or KFT speaks. Host for chikungunya is man. Exclusive breastfeeding recommended in India up to 6 months. Disinfecting action of chlorine on butter is mainly due to hypochlorous acid. Disease occurring before the age of 65 years is senile. Sensitivity is measured by true positive. Specificity is measured by true negative. Best method for prevention of infection by medical professional in a hospital setup: hand washing. Fast questionnaire is used to diagnose alcoholic. Program designed for the benefit for pregnant women and infant is Janani Suraksha Yojana. Best indicator for socio-economic development of a country is IMR. Most common cause of infant mortality rate in India: low birth weight and prematurity. Health assistants should visit to sub-center once in every week. Who will be prepare malaria parasite smear slide? Health assistants male. Chandler's index is used for hookworm, ankylostoma duodenale, and number of hookworm egg per gram of stool is 250 eggs in dangerous. Socially attained behavior is culture. For determination of socio-economic status of urban population is modified Kapuswamy scale. Human Development Index HDI, life expectancy as worth, value range VAT 0 to 1, income per capita, literacy rate. Prevention of risk factor development of CAD, primordial level for prevention. Patient is made to walk early after surgery. This is an example of rehabilitation. Endemic of a disease mean is constantly present in population. Most important function of sentinel surveillance to find total amount of disease in a population. Bhopal gas tragedy is single exposure point source epidemic. Modified Kapuswamy scale, education status of head and family, occupation status of head of family, income per capita month. Case fatality rate, total number of deaths due to a disease Y, total number of cases due to a disease into 100. Epidemiological trade are host, environmental factor and agent. When a child lost in hand and unable to do routine work called impairment. Natural history of disease is situated by longitudinal study. Disease elimination means preventing the transmission chain. Leprosy is considered a public health problem if prevalence of leprosy. In India, which disease is near to eradication is polio. Which is primary prevention is support. Iodine salt supplementation is specific protection. Waterborne disease amoebiasis. Chemoprophylaxis prevention of primary. Surveillance is scrutiny of factor. Morbidity is measured by active surveillance. PTV drug rifampicin 2 to 50 mg. Pyrazinamide 750 mg, isoniazid 150 mg, ethambutol 400 mg. Serial interval is time gap between primary and secondary case. Hypothesis is a variable to be tested. Case fatality rate is a method measuring violence. A graph shows uniform curve with no secondary curve, pointed epidemic. Rapid rise and fall in epidemic curve without any secondary waves is seen in point source epidemic. Case control study is a type of analytical study. Recall bias is the most commonly associated with which study? Case control study. Incidence rate is measured by cohort study. Incidence rate is calculated by prospective study. Incidence rate is defined as number of new cases of a disease in a community. Relative risk is incidence of disease among exposed and incidence of disease among non-exposed. Relative risk is calculated by cohort study. Prevalence is a proportion and calculated by cross-sectional study. Odd ratio is calculated by case control study. Odds ratio is derived from estimate of relative risk. Study of alcohol intake for 10 years and occurring of hepatic disease type of study cohort. Double blind study means both observer and person or group being observed is blind about the study. Hospital acquired infection for surgical wound is mostly by the instrument. Serial interval mean difference between primary case and secondary case. Hospital based study is cross over study. Herd immunity is seen in polio, measles, diphtheria, pertussis, mumps, rubella, smallpox. Herd immunity is not seen in the tetanus. Vaccine most commonly associated with allergic reaction and shock is DPT. All live vaccine and meningococcal are contraindicated in pregnancy. Next one, BCG should be given immediately after birth. Hepatitis B vaccine should be given 0-1-6 month. Total dose of vitamin A given under National Immune Schedule is 9 lakh international unit. Post-exposure rabies vaccine schedule is 0, 3rd, 7, 14, 28 and 19 days. BCG influenza yellow fever is diluted with NS. Measles MMR vaccine is diluted with distilled water, sterile water. Vitamin A should be given at the age of 6 or to 9 months. Rabies vaccine is prepared for fixed virus. Anti-sera is obtained from horse. First immunization of the baby is colostrum. Administration of which vaccine can result in paralysis in children? 7 polio vaccine. 9-month-old unimmunized child was brought to dispensary. Vaccine should be given. This baby first oral polio vaccine, VCG, TPT, measles. Leprosy commonly spread by milk. Yellow fever vaccination start protection after how many days of infection? 10 days. Ring vaccination is given around 100 yards of a case detected. A full course of immunization against tetanus with 3 doses of TT confirm immunity for how many years? 5 years. Vaccine administration as no stop influenza gap between 2 live vaccine 4 weeks. BCG is given intradermal. Best way to sterilize glass syringe is hot air. Cold sterilization is done by ionizing radiation. Surgical blade are best sterilized by autoclave. Fiber optic scope are sterilized by glutaraldehyde. True positive rate of screening test is first false negative. Test used for screening case of tuberculosis in India is sputum smear examination. Sensitivity of a screening test is true positive. Screening test preferred for type 2 diabetic mellitus in India is fasting blood sugar. Confirmatory test for tuberculosis in India, AFB in sputum, acid fast bacilli test in sputum. True negative are detected by specificity. High false positive case significant that disease has high incidence and low prevalence. False negative means person has disease but shows negative test result. High false positive in a test is due to high sensitivity. Next one, positive predict value of a test depend upon prevalence of disease. In GTT glucose tolerance test, diabetic mellitus diagnosed if vein plasma glucose level is 200 mg. According to WHO, blindness inability to count finger as the distance of 3 meter. Chinese letter arrangement of bacilli under microscope, Corynebacterium diphtheria. Best specimen for diagnosis of rabies in living person, biopsy of skin follicles on neck. Coplic spots are seen in measles. Negri bodies and hydrophobia is seen in rabies. Bull neck appearance is seen in diphtheria. Subacute sclerosing panencephalitis is a complication of measles. Kala azar is transmitted by sandfly. Perinatal transmission of hepatitis B is maximum in 3rd trimester. For dengue diagnosis, number of petechial spots are square inches in cubital fossa, more than 20. Most common opportunistic infection in AIDS is pneumocystis carinii pneumonia. Drugs of choice for a pregnant lady with cerebral malaria is quinine. Reservoir for chikungunya is primate. Most common site of hydrated cyst in human body is right posterior superior lobe of liver. Drugs of choice for LGV is doxycycline. Best indicator for HIV progression in body is CD4 and CD8 ratio. Dose of rabies immunoglobulin is 20 international unit kg per body weight. Cyclops are found in life cycle of the Dracuneliasis. Candler's index is used for hookworm. Vector for dengue fever is Aedes. Major side effect of streptomycin ototoxicity. Major side effect of rifampicin hepatitis. Major side effect of ethambutol color blindness, optic neuritis. Vitamin A deficiency, night blindness. Enteric fever is caused by Salmonella typhi. Most common cause of blindness in India is cataract. Drugs of choice for cholera in adult, doxycycline. Typhoid ulcer perforate in 3rd week. Virus causing rabies in man is Strid virus. Q fever is caused by Coxiella burnetii. Ticks transmit Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Poliomyelitis is transmitted by fecal oral route. Next one, most common cancer worldwide is lung cancer. Certificate of yellow fever is valid for duration of 10 years. Safe surgery, antibiotic, face washing, environmental improvement. Which of the following hepatitis associated with higher mortality in pregnancy? Hepatitis E. Reservoir for measles is man, incubation period 10 days. Coplic spot appear in prodromal stage in measles. Most common complication of mummy in children, aseptic meningitis. Diphtheria carrier are diagnosed by throat culture. and sick test indicate carrier for diphtheria. Treatment for pertussis children is prophylactic antibiotic for 10 days. Child with pertussis should be isolated for 3 to 4 weeks. Chemoprophylaxis for meningococcal meningitis rifampicin. In TB, a case of sputum positive. Polio is due to virus. Typhoid oral vaccine is given 135 days. Drugs of choice for cholera, chromophylactis, tetracycline. Guinea worm infestation is common in worker of step bell. Highest level of health care is tertiary care. Infective period of dengue fever is 10 to 20 days. Malaria is transmitted by female Anopheles stephensi, urban malaria, Anopheles dirus. Malarial parasite in India are Vibex falciparum malaria. Anti-malarial month is June. Causative organism of malaria Plasmodium. Vector of transmission for Bancroftian filiara is Culex fatigans. Clinical incubation period of filariasis is 8 to 16 months.